For many librarians, selecting the titles in the right quantity for each library branch relies on gut instinct about what patrons are reading and can be time-consuming. Involving material vendors in that process is known to save time and ensure a ready supply of current and forthcoming titles. But how can vendors really tell what your patrons are going to want to read and ensure the right items are at the right locations? This requires evidence. Evidence-based selection planning brings the art of Baker & Taylor's collection development expertise together with the science of Collection HQ's data analytics to create a decision support system that equips your library with the information to select the right titles and quantities for the right locations. Your library benefits from a predictive collection development process, which incorporates Baker & Taylor's expert knowledge of hot titles and Collection HQ's evidence of patron demand. Your patrons are happy that your collection is reflective of what they want to read. Watch your books fly off the shelf. To find out how ESP could benefit your library, please contact us today.